Okay, and question number 6, they give you this sector of a circle. A sector is like the piece of pie. And when they do that, what they're telling you is that this is the radius here, which is the same as right here. So I'm going to write r equals 36 here. So I'll just erase that 6 again and write it better. Okay, and so this is the radius here. If it was the whole circle, it would go out here like this, and it would go like this. And so what we're going to do is we're taking a part of the circle. The part we're taking is the 75 degrees. So let's write that down. The part we're having is 75 degrees out of a total in a circle of 360 degrees. And we have to ask, what do they say that's the sector of the circle. They say, which of the following is the closest to the length of arc AB? The length of AB is right here. They had it labeled. I didn't label it, but that said A and B, and they want the length. So let's call it X. A length is in centimeters or inches or whatever, in this case in inches. So that's a part of the circle. So again, we had part on top here. We're going to have part on top here. And we have total circle on the bottom. So I'm going to have total on the bottom here. So the part of the circle that I have, or that I want, is X. The total of the circle, well, since we're talking about the edge, where the X is, we must be talking about going around the whole circle here. You can imagine it going around, which is a circumference. So that's the circumference, which is, in this case we have the radius, so I'm going to use 2 pi r. So we're going to work that out. We're going to get, let me get my calculator. So I reduced the fraction and I wrote it in there. And so we end up cross multiplying here. So we're going to end up getting 5 times 72 pi equals 24x, and then we're going to divide by 24. And when we do all that work, if we want the exact area or exact length, it's going to be, let's work it out here on my calculator. When I work on the calculator, I get 15 pi, and that is approximately just multiplying by pi. .4712, and they have that would be choice B on your sheet.